Hey guys, it's Big C. It is, what is it, Thursday, July 26, 7/27. I'm going to go ahead and do Allen and Ginter Box 9 break that ended last night. Everybody's pretty much paid for it, so I will go ahead and upload. I'm waiting on a couple people, but it's alright. I know them and they buy box breaks before, so not a big deal. So here we go with the sign-up sheet. The Blue Jays did not sell. Twins did not sell. Old ceiling fans. Let's see. Looks like the Marlins and the Diamondbacks did not sell. There's the Marlins. And there's the Diamondbacks. In non-baseball. So there we have it. And here we go. Box 9 of the Allen and Ginter. So here we go. Good luck to everybody. And 3 in an empty box, and we got a big one. Let's see if it's another roller coaster. No, it's the Ginter one. I think we've had this one before. Or no, it's the Cardinals. That would go to the Cardinals, so that would be Dawson Neal. We get that, so I'll put that in here, back in here for shipping. Put that on there. Alright, and here we go. So we get what, 3 hits per box here, so good luck to everybody. See if we can get one of those numbered mini cards too. We haven't, and again, the first box, or the first couple breaks that we did, could have had one in there because I just didn't look for them then. So they could have, so if you've gotten breaks from the first, like box 1 and 2, you might want to look at that because some of those are hand numbered. And on the Ginter backs, if they don't have a number in the middle, those are also short printed. We got Felix Hernandez. Oh, Michael Buffer, that's a good one. The ring guy, or the announcer guy, Michael Buffer, that would go to JDA 0928, non-baseball. Jr., Brian Wilson, DiMaggio, Brandon Lee, Mini, Nolan Ryan, Tom Seaver, Don Mattingly, regular Mini, Alex Gordon, and of course the phone's ringing. Mini, Musical Masters, Chase Headland. Matt Choice, Black Order, Cal Ripken Jr., Arnold Palmer, Brennan Bosch, Mini, Koufax, Culinary Curiosities. I don't even like to read those because I don't really want to know. Some of that stuff just isn't right. Michael Bourne, Victorino, Stan Musial, Carl Crawford, let's see, Tampa Bay, Jeff Neiman, Mini. Kelly Johnson, and then that little insert thingy. And then there's a Bryce Harper rookie. So I think about half of them have many of Bulldog. About half of them have a Harper in them. That seems like. Santana Mini, Adrian Gonzalez, here's our next hit. That's just nothing there. So Babe Ruth, another non-baseball. Phil Fister for non-baseball. JDA 0928. Al Unser Senior. And Ozzie Smith. Chipper Jones getting her back. And the deep cut. Got the card right there. Andre Ethier, Edison Volquez, Scott Rowland, Strasburg Mini, Fashionable Ladies, Adam Wainwright, Cole Hamels, A-Rod, David Ortiz getting her back. Just right her back. Alright, we're still looking for one more hit. Hugh Darvish rookie. Ricky Henderson getting her back. Chapman black border. Frank Robinson. Alright, so looking for one more hit. This looks like it might be it. Haney. Who is Haney? Hank Haney. I'm not sure who he is. I don't know if he's a golfer. He looks like a golfer, but I'm not sure who he is. But looks like a clean sweep for the non-baseball. And last two packs. Actually, this is one of those getting her backs with the Tom Malone for the A, so that would be Ion Blue 22, but it has no number. See under the, in between the Oakland and the Tom there. I'll show you another one to kind of show you what I'm. Well, maybe. See on the Ricky Henderson how they had that number 254 there. And these are supposed to be just short printed printed at 50 without the numbers on the back. So, pulled a couple of them, still no hand numbered ones. And another Ginter bag. So, alright guys, there you have it. Again, I appreciate it. Keep checking out the auctions. Big C 2024 team, man. Thanks.